Tango, Alpha, Charlie.
Introducing the new TAC target system from Thompson Target. The innovative TAC, or Training with Audible Cues target, develops critical shooting skills while providing a competitive and interactive range experience. The TAC system is not only designed for developing accuracy, but also for developing speed in target identification and sight-to-target alignment. Although it can be very beneficial for a solo shooter, the TAC target is optimized for at least 2 participants. A target is needed for each shooter, as well as a timing device with stopwatch function, such as a smartphone or a shot timer. In order for the cues to be heard accurately, electronic hearing protection may be required for the shooter. Step 1. Decide how many shots each shooter will take on their target. 10 to 20 are recommended. A partner should be designated to verbally cue or call out one of the 4 torsos on the target, as well as operate the timer. Choose one of the cue sets on the included cue card that will be used to prompt the shooter on which torso to engage. Step 2. Starting from the low ready position, the shooter will engage the torso that corresponds to the cue given by their partner. Start the timer when the first cue is given. Step 3. After each shot, the shooter should return to the low ready position. Once the shooter returns to low ready, the partner gives the next cue and the shooter engages the corresponding torso. Repeat this process until the desired shot count is reached. Step 4. When the shooter has fired their last shot, stop the timer, secure the firearm, and score the target. Divide the total score by time or number of seconds to give the shooter's time factor score. This scoring method evaluates both accuracy and speed to give a true measure of the shooter's skill. The next shooter may now fix a target downrange, and steps 2 through 4 can be repeated. Although we have outlined an effective way to use the TAC target in this video, it can be used with a variety of drills. For example, the shooter could fire 2 or 3 rounds per cue for follow-up shot training, or place the TAC target at a longer distance for rifle training. We encourage you to be creative in designing your own drills or competitions, as there is no wrong way to use the TAC target. Train smart, have fun, and remember to always keep your muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Thanks for choosing Thompson Target when you're shooting for the best.